Hi students, let us see the question in Kuch Khas Hai. It's a good question, just see. In the given sequence, predict A. I want to find who is this, what is this. In the given sequence of reaction, predict A. Generally, students have difficulty in solving such questions. They say, ma'am, we have learnt all the reactions, we know everything, but it's difficult to actually identify in the sequence who is who. Now see, the main thing to tackle such questions is you should know all the reactions thoroughly, which you can know by practicing, to write and practice. Okay? Now look here. In the given reaction, first thing we have to see is what is known to us. So if you look carefully, we don't know this, only we know the molecular formula. ये हमें पता नहीं है. This we don't know, but we know iodoform. Now, iodoform is formed in iodoform test, meaning the reaction is giving a hint about iodoform test. So student, what we should know is what is iodoform test. So see, in iodoform test, here there is NaOH and iodine. Now this NaOH iodine reacts to give NaOI, Nai and a molecule of water. This is sodium hypoiodide. This reagent, NaOH and iodine, can attack substances like this type. That is those substances which are having methyl keto group, or those which on oxidation can produce a methyl keto. The substances having the methyl keto group or the substances which on oxidation can produce a methyl keto group. And here there can be any chain. I am just writing R, the carbon chain. This is the alpha carbon. NaOH and iodine combine to give NaOI. This NaOI will oxidize. In case it was an alcohol, will oxidize alcohol to this form. The moment we get the ketonic form, the NaOI will do iodination and will convert the molecule into a iodinated molecule where the 3 alpha hydrogens are replaced by 3 chlorine or 3 iodine. If we replace by 3 chlorine, we call it chloroform test, and if we replace it by iodine, we call it iodoform test. ये सब हमने already, we have discussed all this in the class. ये सारे reaction हम पढ़ चुके हैं, but just for revision, I am एक बार revise कर रही हूँ उसको. Now we know 3H are replaced by 3I, so ये balance कर दिया हमने, देखा ये reaction already, तो 3NaOI ले लिया हमने. Byproduct is 3NaOH. Out of 3 NaOH, one of them react और इधर इसको ये CC bond को break कर देता है और बना देता है CHI3. यहाँ से ये जो H है ये इधर चला जाता है, and the byproduct is RCONA. And this RCONA is nothing but the acid salt, meaning this acid salt is RCONA, sodium carboxylate. One part we know, other also we know. Meaning this should be something like this. This should be something like this ketonic form. But question has very little twist. And the twist is B reduction पे C देता है. Now on reduction, if B gives C on reduction, then it is very clear C is not this. This is not the reduction molecule. इसका reduced form होगा, meaning something like this. इसके functional group को O को हमने H add करके reduce कर दिया R, और नीचे एक H. meaning something of this sort. Meaning C is CH3, C ये reduce हो गया OH, इधर एक H ले लिया हमने, इधर एक H और ये R. Something like this. This is C. This is obtained by mild reduction of this, meaning इसका oxidation, इसका oxidized product. See, B on reduction gives C. So C on oxidation should give B. Now when I oxidize again, the HR remove and I get CH3, CO, R. And this ketone is obtained by aqueous NaOH, that is hydrolysis of this compound. Meaning at the functional part, either दो chlorine है, because it is telling the functional group is 2 chlorine. So at the same point, 2 chlorine and R. This is the molecule. Correct? Now in this R and in this H3, this is fixed. So, or okay fine, we leave the R here only and this H3 I copy. This is fixed. This R and H3, this R, something from here, this H3 is fixed. So now obviously what will be R? पहले इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला देखते हैं क्या है. इसका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला है, इसमें 2 कार्बन है, 3 हाइड्रोजन है, 3 क्लोरीन है और इसमें उतना ऐड करना है कि ये बन जाए. तो C8H8 Cl2 में से ये माइनस कर देते हैं. 8 में 3 गए 5, H5 है, 8 में 2 गए 6 कार्बन है, मतलब RSC6H5. तो हमें स्ट्रक्चर मिल गया. ये है SI structure, only the R is C6H5. So this is the molecule. So that is how we have predicted A, and I'll be posting many such questions on the group. Practice them. Whatever you don't know, we will discuss. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Take care. Love and blessings.